Welcome to part of our workshop here at Jay's Jewelers. We do have an on-site goldsmith who can create custom designs and repair your jewelry, but on a regular basis, every day clients bring us their jewelry that does need to be professionally cleaned. What we do is we bring it here and we use some of these tools, which I'll introduce to you today, to make sure that your jewelry is sparkling like new. The first is our ultrasonic machine, and this is a high frequency vibration, and it also has heat, so it will take off any type of oil or debris on your jewelry. So the first thing we do before we take it is to check that all of your stones are secure. Because of the high frequency vibration, anything that is loose will fall out. It also gives us a chance to check for any other damage before we work on it. Then we put each item individually in a tray, and this allows us to ensure that the jewelry does not scratch each other when put in the ultrasonic. So 2 earrings would be put separately inside 2 different trays. Then we turn it on and you'll hear the vibration. The next step is to brush the jewelry gently with a soft toothbrush and the ultrasonic cleaner. This allows us to get to the gemstones from every angle and ensure that we're breaking up any buildup on your jewelry. Once we ensure that the jewelry does have all stones intact, we go ahead and we use our steam machine to blast off any remaining residue. This is a high-powered, high-heat steam that allows us to blast off any excess debris. It is important to note that certain gemstones cannot take heat, steam, or ultrasonic. Therefore, it's best to leave professional cleaning up to a jewelry store. Any jewelry you wear on a regular basis should be checked and professionally cleaned a minimum of every 6 months. So stop by Jay's Jewelers so we can ensure your jewelry will last a lifetime.